Hi friends, we are from the Horti-science team. Today we will discuss about the Agri Export Zone. So many questions are came in exam like JRF and SR of net also. Oh, from the Agri Export Zone. So what is the Agri Export Zone? How many Agri Export Zone are there? The location which was identified the Agri Export Zone for the particular crops like that exam in exam point of view some question are important. So we will discuss one by one. The concept of Agri Export Zone was introduced from 2001 with the policy. Here the important is which policy evolved to introduce the concept of Agri Export Zone. Here the EXIM policy from 1997 to 2001. The the Agri Export Zone as came from the exam policy, and the government of India which was identified the total 60 agri export zone from the different agriculture crops. Basically the most crops are belong to fruit crops, and these are the important in exam point of view because the earlier we will analyze that most of the question which are came from the agri export zone are directly related to fruit science, followed by vegetable science. In vegetable science those crops which are gain the potential for the export like the potato, onions, and some spices crops like garlic. These are the important. So total 60 agri export zone was identified till 2004 and 5. After that no single agri export zone was identified. Now question is arises why? Because in 2024 some peer review was conducted by Department of Commerce, which was analyzed that the agri export zone had not been able to achieve the intended objective. मीन्स था 2004 में सर्वे किया गया डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स द्वारा। उन्होंने यह कंक्लूड किया कि जो एग्री एक्सपोर्ट जोन हम आइडेंटिफाई किए गए हैं वो जो ऑब्जेक्टिव दिए गए हैं उसको फुलफिल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। सो दैट आफ्टर 2024 they analyzed that the agri export zone which was they identified are not performing well. Therefore, they are stopped to recognize the new agri export zone. So, total 60 agri export zone. Now we will discuss the state wise and the total 60 out of which are related to fruit and vegetable and other commodity, and that we will discuss here. In the Assam, only one agri export zone, which are not much important for exam point of view. In Andhra, total five agri export zone. In this state, the mango pulp, the only in the mango total 10 agri export zone. Out of that, one is the only for mango pulp and fresh vegetable. This is the important only for single district, that is Chittor district, followed by another agri export zone which was identified by mango and grapes, the combined agri export zone. Third is the mango for the district, Krishna district. Another one is the important for this state is chili because the Guntur Sanam chili also got the GI tag. Another state is Bihar, only one agri export zone combined for the lychee, vegetable and honey. Here the lychee and honey is important because the lychee is the potential crop for the Bihar, particularly the Muzaffarpur, Samastipur, Hajipur, Vaishali and Vaishali states, districts. Another important district is Gujarat. Here, the three agri export zone was identified. Out of that, two are important, and one is the mango and vegetable. Here, the mango, especially Gujarat, is the famous for the kesar mango. Second is the value-added onion. In the Himachal Pradesh, only one agri export zone for the mango. Oh, sorry, for the apple. The following districts like the Simla, Sirmaur, Kullu, Kinnor are important, and for the quality apple producer, which are gain the export potential. Another is the Karnataka. In the Karnataka, rose onion is important and vanilla because the rose onion only single export zone which is in the Karnataka. Second is vanilla. Vanilla also only single agri export zone which is in under the Karnataka state. Another in state is Jammu and Kashmir. Here the two agri export zone was identified. One is the apple and second is the walnut. These two are the important crops for the export point of point of view from India. In the Jharkhand, only one that is not important for exam point of view. In Kerala, two agri export zone. Two agri export zone. One is horticulture product and second is the medicinal plant. In the Madhya Pradesh, total five agri export zones are there. In which the one is the combined for the potato, onion, and garlic. This is also important because the onion and garlic is the important crop of Madhya Pradesh. Second is the seed spices. Here the seed spices is more important because the only single agri export zone for the seed spices which is under the Madhya Pradesh state. Another is important in the Madhya Pradesh is oranges because the Madhya Pradesh is also largest oranges and quality. Basically, the important things is there the quality. So the Madhya Pradesh is the quality orange producer. Another the Maharashtra. In the Maharashtra, total eight agri export zones. Maybe question A Rajesh, which state having the maximum agri export zone was identified. So the answer is the Maharashtra. Here the eight agri export zone, which is basically belong to fruit crops, and these fruit crops are the important for Madhya Pradesh like the grapes and grape wine. Second is Alfonso mango. As we know, the Ratnagiri, Sindhu, the Raigad and Thane district of Maharashtra is the largest and quality Alfonso producer which gain the potential for the export point of view. Second is the Kesar mango. Kesar is also important crop for Maharashtra. Another is the onion. The Maharashtra for onion, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh is the largest onion producer. So the onion is also important here. In the pomegranate, only single agri export zone, and pomegranate is the emerging crop for the export point of view because the share of the export of pomegranate is increased after the 2011. Now this is the most important export and dollar earning crop from India. So the Solapur district is the basically evolved for the pomegranate production. Another is the banana in the Jalgaon. As we know, the Jalgaon is the largest banana producing district of the Maharashtra state, which contributing about 35 to 40% of total Maharashtra banana production. Another is the orange for Nagpur and Amravati region. So in the Maharashtra, all basically almost all eight agri sports zones are important for exam point of view, like the grape and grape wine. Another is Alfonso mango, Kesar mango, onion, pomegranate mango, and orange. All are important for export as well as exam point of view. Another important is the Punjab. In Punjab, three agri export zone out of that two are important. One is the potato and second is the basmati rice. Now basmati rice is also gain the also not basmati is the most export commodity from the export commodity from India. They gain potential for the export. Now the largest maximum export value in the agriculture sector is the basmati rice. In the basmati rice, another is the Rajasthan. We will know the Rajasthan is the important for the seed spices. Another is Another important is, state is Tamil Nadu. In the Tamil Nadu, two agri export zone are important. One is the mango, as we know, the Tamil Nadu is the quality mango producer, and second is the cashew nut. In the cashew nut, only single agri export zone, which is under the Tamil Nadu state. In Uttar Pradesh, total four agri export zones are there. One is the potato, second is the mango and vegetable combined. In the mango, Lucknow, Unnao, Hardoi, Sitapur, and basically in the Lucknow, the Ramgarh and district are important, and for the basically the Sahari and other variety. And so the another crops is in the UP state is the mango. Oh, in the UP two mango. One is for central part of UP, Lucknow, Unnao, Hardoi. Another is the western part of Saharanpur, Muzaffarpur, Bijnor, Meerut. Another agri export zone in UP is Basmati rice. Is so all these total four agri export zones are there in India, and all are important. One is the potato, second is mango and vegetable, third is the mango, and fourth one is the basmati rice. We will come in the Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand, also four agri export zone. Out of that, two are important. One is the lychee. As we know, the Nainital region of the lychee are the best quality lychee, as like the Bihar lychee, and there is the basmati rice. So we will know the basmati rice as we'll discuss their importance in the export scenario. Total three agri export zones are there for basmati rice. One is the Uttarakhand, second is UP, and third is the Punjab. In the Uttarakhand, lychee and basmati rice are important. Another one is the West Bengal. In West Bengal, total six agri export zone. One is for the lychee, second is potato. Yeah, the potato is not much important because the most of the potato are produced in UP and exported, also contributing in the export. But the lychee, second is the mango, as we know the Malda district of West Bengal also got the GI tag. Another is the Darjeeling tea, only single agri export zone for the tea, which is under the West Bengal, West Bengal state under the Darjeeling district. Another is the pineapple. Pineapple for two agri export zone. One is the West Bengal and second is the Tripura. So these are the total 60 agri export zones. Now question maybe they ask what is the agri export zone on and what is the importance why they are organized. And so the agri export zone is the nothing but it is the a geographical defined area identified for the production and export of the specific agriculture products. मीन्स यह एक जियोग्राफिकल एरिया आइडेंटिफाई किया गया बेस्ड ऑन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ स्पेसिफिक क्रॉप, उसी एरिया में वह पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप प्रोड्यूस होगा एज विल एज इन एडिशनली इन दिस एरिया वेयर द फार्मिंग पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट प्रोसेसिंग एंड मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटी आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टू मीट द एक्सपोर्ट स्टैंडर्ड। उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में जितनी भी आवश्यक चीजें उनको ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है ताकि वो जो एक एक्सपोर्ट स्टैंडर्ड है उसको फुलफिल कर सकें। And that's all for the agri sport zone. On the possibility of the question is came from agri sport zone, which are directly related to fruit crops. Earlier also, the most of question are came from the agri sport zone are related to fruit crops. And now maybe they ask the which fruit crop having the maximum agri export zone, like as we discussed the mango. Total 10 agri export zone which cover the Andhra, Bihar, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, UP, West Bengal. Followed by mango also mango only, banana two agri export zone Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, grapes Andhra and Maharashtra, lychee Bihar, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, apple two agri export zone Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir, walnut for one Jammu and Kashmir, orange two Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, pomegranate one in Maharashtra, cashew nut in Tamil Nadu, pineapple two Tripura and West Bengal. These are the total agri export zone which are related to fruit crops. Maybe these are the important. So that's all for the agri export zone. Here we will discuss what is the importance of agri export zone and which agri export zones are important for exam point of view. So remember these points. Definitely you benefited in your exam. Thank you. We will meet in another video with the another interesting topic. Thank you.